Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting Vencord onto the same Discord build you use. Mismatched versions break themes. Once you have a matching installer, run it and accept required permissions. Make sure to back up your settings and any custom CSS or client mods before proceeding, because installs can overwrite files. After installation, open Discord and confirm Vencord appears in the lower left or settings area. If it's visible, you're ready to fetch themes and continue to load them into Vencord. Once Vencord is installed, open the Themes tab and import a theme file or pick one from the built-in browser. You'll see Enable Toggles and Load Order, so place themes in the correct precedence. Earlier themes can be overridden by ones below. Edit theme settings to tweak colors, fonts, and spacing. Change CSS variables for global updates instead of editing every rule. Make sure to save a copy of edits. Export the customized theme so you can restore it quickly if you need to reset. Finish by validating the theme across common views, servers, DM, and the overlay. If something looks broken, open Vencord's console to check for failed resource loads or CSS parse errors. That tells you whether a token name or selector changed. Once done, isolate conflicts by disabling themes one at a time or reverting to your backup theme copy. If a theme caused client instability, uninstall Vencord, restore backups, then reinstall and reapply only verified themes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.